Your WCBI First Alert Forecast with Charlie Goldstein.
Welcome back, folks. It's certainly been a stormy pattern we've been in. You don't need me to say that. We've seen 3 inches, north of 3 inches for most of the area. 3.3 in Starkville, just over 3 inches in West Point, as well as Columbus, across the whole Golden Triangle. And I want to put this into context for you. For a typical month of May, the entire month of May, we should see about 4.25 inches of rain. This May so far, in just 12 days, we've seen 5.25 inches of rain. And why that's been happening is this big upper level low that's sitting over our region. It's been parked here for several days now. And you can see it's kind of cut off from the main flow of the jet stream that goes way up north into Canada. So this has been allowed to just meander here. And one thing I want to point out to you is you see all this orange here starting to flow into it towards the south and eventually towards into us. That's going to eventually decrease the coverage of storms. And that's what we're seeing right now. You can see just a broad and sort of lazy counterclockwise spin to the shower activity. And as we take an even closer look in, you can see some showers and storms starting to pop up, especially further south towards Louisville and Philadelphia. Those will eventually make their way further north into the Golden Triangle. After lunchtime, into the afternoon, we'll continue to see those showers and cloudiness, and maybe a few rumbles of thunder and some of the heavier showers too. Eventually, they'll start to fizzle out though for us by about 10 p.m. or so. We should be dry on from midnight on into the morning for Wednesday. Again, for tonight, though, a low of 60 degrees for us tonight. The clouds will stick around for us. We could see some patchy fog, and that's just thanks to how much moisture is on the ground. It doesn't take much for that temperature and dew point to meet. And by the time we get into tomorrow, we'll warm up a little bit into the upper 70s. 78 is our high. Again, variable clouds. We'll continue to see that shower chance and just a touch warmer out there. So here's a look for tomorrow. Same story as today for the most part, just a little bit less shower activity as that dry air gets wrapped into the low. After we get from dinner onward into the evening hours, into the overnight hours, we should start to dry up, and that should leave us with a dry Wednesday and I believe a dry Thursday for us too. But notice as we get closer into Thursday and to the weekend, we see another cold front. That is our next system lingering off towards the west, and that will bring us some rain chances for the weekend. Otherwise, though, enjoy a nice couple dry days from Wednesday into Friday.